This video is about some hair issues that we all are dealing with. You can consult health coaches for absolutely no hidden charges. I've been facing a lot of breakage due to... Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing Saturn by GHC, Good Health Company. One of the best parts about Good Health Company is that they offer absolutely free expert consultation. You can consult health coaches for absolutely no hidden charges. Get your personalized health and fitness diet plan or an exercise regimen, and you can definitely download their app to know more. This video is about some hair issues that we all are dealing with. I have discovered some fabulous new hair products from Saturn by GHC that I want to talk to you about. I've been facing a lot of breakage due to my hair being absolutely abused chemically. I color them, I straighten them, I heat style them, I apply a lot of product. You name it, I do it all to my hair. So this girl needs all the hair help she can get. I have been in the process of growing my hair out, but it's a little difficult right now when you keep frying your hair and the ends keep drying out. So I recently just cut off a few inches from my hair and now they feel much better, healthier, bouncier ever since I've started using these products that I'm going to talk about. Now because of all the treatments and the color, I've been also facing a lot of hair loss, and I've really wanted to grow my hair out, and these products have just come at the perfect time. So here is the Saturn by GHC Grow Bee Hair Nourishing Shampoo, and here is their fabulous hair vitalizer that I've been obsessed with. This hair vitalizer has been my go-to. It contains some fabulous ingredients. The first one being Redensil. They have 3% Redensil right here, which is a natural DHT blocker. It is used for progressive hair growth and maximum nutrient transfer to your hair cells. It also helps increase blood flow to your scalp, which in turn is going to make sure that your hair receives all the right nutrients. The next ingredient is Procapil, and that is also 3%. It nourishes your scalp and improves overall scalp health. It also activates dormant hair follicles, honey, and we totally need all of that goodness. Saw palmetto, which is another DHT blocker, and biotin, which stimulates keratin production. We've all heard about how important biotin is for your hair. It helps restore hair health and hair texture. This is what the outer packaging looks like. So it's a nice clean white carton. You can see all the ingredients, and I love the little baby pink accents on the uni-carton. And this is what the hair vitalizer looks like. I absolutely love that it comes in a spray form, which makes it super easy to apply, and also there is a lock right here, so that makes it really convenient and easy to travel with as well. You know, it's not going to spill anywhere. Love the packaging, very thoughtful. Just make sure you don't lose this lock, because you know, that way your packaging is never going to leak. The spray is nice and fine. It is such a pleasure to apply, and it smells great. I love hair products that smell great. Any hair product that is going to make my hair smell fabulous, I'm all over it. This spray is also alcohol free, which is so important. It's not going to end up drying your hair, and this is a completely FDA approved formulation. Applying this product is such a breeze. All you gotta do is take a few sections of your hair, spray this into your scalp, and massage it thoroughly for increased absorption. Now you can apply this a few hours before you wash your hair, but the best results are achieved when you leave it overnight, and it's not a problem to do that at all because it's not greasy and it makes your hair smell amazing. So it's such a pleasure. Now in order to see results from any product that is going to improve your hair growth, you have to use it consistently. I would recommend you use this hair vitalizer for at least 3 months. Hair growth is a slow process. It's not something that can happen overnight. So if you want to see true results from this, you want to make sure you're consistent with your product application. Now let's go ahead and talk about this awesome shampoo. It contains fabulous ingredients like aloe vera, which is going to strengthen your hair and help with itchy scalp. Caffeine, which suppresses hair loss hormone DHT. It helps hydrate and moisturize your hair. Argan oil, which helps moisturize your hair and your scalp and totally activates your hair follicles to repair your hair from within. Saw palmetto, another another DHT blocker. Saw palmetto is also useful in reducing inflammation and preventing hair loss. And biotin, again another hero ingredient, also known as vitamin B7, can increase the rate of follicle growth. This shampoo is dermatologically tested and it is also sulfate and paraben free, so totally fine if you want to use it on chemically treated hair as well. Now here is the packaging of the shampoo. You can see it comes in a nice plastic bottle, super easy and convenient to carry with you as well, and it does come with a pop lid right there, so you only need a small amount of product when you're washing your hair with this. To use it, you only need to take just a little bit into your palm, apply it to your scalp and massage until it lathers. You know how you usually do your shampoo routine. You want to work the shampoo through your hair as well and then leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once you leave the shampoo and let it do its magic, that is when your shampoo is going to clean off all the dirt and repair your hair, and that is all you truly need. You know, just massage your scalp a little bit and then leave your shampoo for around 2 to 3 minutes. Just rinse your hair with a little bit of cold water. You don't want to be washing your hair with extremely hot water. Extremely hot water dries up your hair and leads to frizzy hair, so to avoid that, just rinse this off with some nice cold water. Again, you want to be using this product for a little bit to be able to see some results, and that goes for all your hair care products. And that is all, you guys. You're gonna notice some fabulousness once you start using these products. I've noticed that my hair has been feeling a lot stronger and it's been like a lot less frizzy, especially in the monsoon time. You know, right now my hair actually just turns into Monica and it's been behaving really well. So I highly recommend you try these products out and you'll notice shiny hair, strong, shiny, bouncy looking hair, and it's actually not gonna weigh your hair down either. They smell awesome and they're easily available. I'm gonna link these products down below for you guys, so make sure you check the description box out. And that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you try out these products and you're gonna see some fabulous results after you start using these products and use them consistently for a few months. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave your comments down below telling me, are you excited to try these products? Have you tried out these products before? Because I'm absolutely obsessed with the hair vitalizer. Do remember to follow me on Instagram for other fun stuff, behind the scenes, some fashion updates. I post all of that on Instagram. And subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss out on future fun uploads like this. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm gonna see you super soon in my next one. Mwah. Bye!